Hey there, I saw your post here on Facebook regarding your model that you can't texture paint on it, and it's because you don't have a UV map and a texture map on it. As I see down here, you have a Musgrave texture and a mixer, and that's about it. And that means you are not able to texture paint on it. As Turan mentioned to you, it might be a good idea to look into the model to do some retropology on the model, which in general means cutting down on the polygons, which can be a good thing, especially if you're going to animate this in the future. But you can look up retropology. There are different ways of doing that, and I will not tell you that, but I can show you how to texture paint it. Let's just minimize this. Let's minimize me, and let's kill the bugs. Then we can add, say, a monkey. And let's just turn this up a bit in the polygon count and apply that. Now, if I split this up here, we can go to our UV editor to check if we have a UV map on the model. We do that by selecting the model and going into edit mode by tapping the tab key. And we can see over here in the UV image that the model has a UV texture. If it did not, there will be nothing here in the UV view. So we can then go back to normal object mode and add a material to this. Let's kill it. Suzanne UV texture paint. You can call it anything you like. And inside this, we'll go to the shader editor. You can see now that we have a material, but we have no texture on it. We can see if we go to texture preview that it is white or light gray. But we drag out here, say image, and now we add a new image, and we can set the texture resolution here. Let's just say UV paint here, and let's say like this, for example, and we can do this in a light gray. Now we have a texture, we have UV on the monkey. Let's turn it to smooth, and we can now go to texture paint, and we can select our colors up here. If you go to tools here, you can see various options for your texture paint. Some of them are also up here, and we can start painting on the model. Pressing the F key, we can set the size of the brush. If you want the brush to be smaller, we can go up here and we can change the color as we see fit. But one thing is important. That is, you need to go into your image editor here, select the UV paint as you can see here, and you need to save it. If you don't, next time you open your model, your texture will be gone. So it's very important when you're done to remember, save your image. But that is how you texture paint in Blender, and I hope that can get you further. You can also mix this with various brushes. This is just a standard brush. You can use textures as brush to make some pretty detailed painting on the model, which is quite cool. So good luck, and I hope this helps you to get further with your project.